Question number 1. Todermal was the finance minister of which Mughal emperor? Answer: Akbar. Question number 2. Lakhwar Dam located on which river? Answer: Yamuna. Question number 3. World Malaria Day observed on which date? Answer: 25 April. Question number 4. Washing soda is the common name for? Answer: sodium carbonate. Question number 5. How many fundamental duties are there in Indian Constitution? Answer: 11. Question number 6. Headquarters of the World Economic Forum WEF is located in? Answer: Switzerland. Question number 7. What is the capital of Jordan? Answer: Amman. Question number 8. Which city is the Silicon Valley of India? Answer: Bangalore. Question number 9. Anemia is caused due to deficiency of? Answer: iron. Question number 10. Manas National Park is located in? Answer: Assam.